So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can enable the private account on your Instagram, or you can switch your public account to private. So to do this, all you need to do is just simply open the settings on your Instagram application on your smartphone, or you can do the same process on the PC as well, or some web version of Instagram as well. So all you need to do is just simply open the Instagram application, and here when you go to the settings you need to scroll down until you find this option of account privacy, which is currently saying public. Just simply tap it over there, and now from here you're gonna see this option of a private account, which says when your private account is public, your profile and post can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. And if you enable the private account, only the followers you approve can see what you can share, including your photos and videos on hashtags and location pages and your followers and following list. So just simply enable this option so that your Instagram profile has been now switched from public to private. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.